Alright, I had a little time on my hands this weekend, so I thought I'd do a woodwork. And here it is with my favorite superheroes, Batman and Robin. But I also got a new Zippo. Let's take a look at this one real fast. Comes in a normal black box, and the name of it is the Arctic Fox. And this one's on a white matte body, and the body is actually brass, and it was made in J of 13. That's the Arctic Fox. Pretty cool Zippo. There aren't too many of these white bodied or white coated Zippos. Lights up really nice like every Zippo should. Got a good sound. Brass bodied Zippos seem to have the best sound. And that is going in my collection somewhere. And let's have a little cowbell for Batman and Robin. Oh yeah. Knuckle bump.